It's me again, never ready. It's just funny because I'm like so distracted by Finnegan over here, just like hugging my work shoe. What you got there? Is that my work shoe? I still have to go to work even if you're holding that. Yeah, I know. All right, so welcome back. It is now day 2 of Youtober. So I went ahead and posted yesterday because I was sitting on that Swayze September amazing take from Kai, and then I realized, oh my god, how is it October already? And I thought about doing Youtober. I don't really think I could do necessarily daily vlogs. Big ups to the girlies that are doing that, but I can show you some footage that I haven't previously released. So in this vlog, if you will, it is technically stuff that I did back in July, so a little back to the, no, it's not Back to the Future, flashback. So we went to Doraville one day, and we went to H-Mart, and we went to Kura, which is like unlimited, well, it's like, I guess it's not unlimited sushi, but it's like conveyor belt sushi. I wasn't having the best experience there. First of all, the robot attacked me. We ordered Coca-Colas. It took forever. We were like grabbing food, but like I'm one of those people that needs to like drink while they eat. So I'm like waiting for my Cokes, bitching about it. I think the robot heard me because it like slammed into our table. Anywho, I did put that clip in the beginning of another clip one day, but just gonna throw in some of that footage now. And then we went to H-Mart. So for those of you who don't have an H-Mart around you, it's basically like this huge superstore of a lot of different, it's predominantly like an Asian market, but they have like stuff from around the world. So it's similar to like a really good world market meets grocery store. And what I found out was like H-Mart, the H is like an abbreviation for this like Korean phrase that basically means all groceries on one arm. So I just always thought that was kitschy. So yeah, welcome to Doraville, I guess. But I'm going to try to insert clips throughout the next week of like some of the places that I have explored. Even though I haven't had the opportunity to go too much into Atlanta proper, I have visited a couple different cities. So I've been to Doraville, I've been to Alpharetta, Marietta, and Cummings. So coming soon. Please enjoy this little montage and some of these fun little clips from our exploring in Doraville. Love you. See you tomorrow maybe, if I can actually keep up with this time. Thank goodness.
Grab the drink. All the beef came.
That's probably only one of them. No, get back here.
Oh,
You dropped it. Get back here.
Rebecca should have right.
Can you do the little, yeah.
American beef.
Cute. What? So that
Ready?
I am gonna love this. Give me something. Nope, that's not nice. We're helping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
All right, yeah. Give me something good. You're welcome. That's weird. Is that the prize?
That scared me. No, it's coming.
Oh, that's a fish, a QR
Sometimes
scanner.
it flies out. Sometimes it flies right out. Wait, is it coming?
All the robots are trying to attack us. I think the prize was that fucking recipe.
No, it made the sound. Good. We got robbed. I mean, I've had it happen before. I've had it get stuck in the crowd before.
I mean, I'm less excited because when I was watching the video, it was like cute little sushi keychains. I don't really care about Dragon Ball Z, but I still feel cheated, you know what I mean? You can hear that like 5 Nights at Freddy.
Oh my god.
Of course it is. Why would it be anything besides something that's been ordered 17 minutes after? I don't want that yet.